What's up, everybody? Another sunny day here in the beautiful state of Texas. We decided we're gonna go to the beach, but first we're gonna get some gas, do a quick car wash, we'll time lapse there, and shoot some B-rolls. I hope you enjoy. We made it to Galveston. We're here at the beach. Beautiful place. Just gonna walk around and have some fun. So we had a blast today. We're finally leaving. It's 9:22 and we just got on the road. An hour trip back to home. So I'm not gonna time lapse that because it's dark, you know. I don't think you want to see another time lapse. But if you do, or if you have something else in mind that you want to see, please leave it in the comments. Subscribe and hit that bell notification. I would really appreciate it. I love you guys.